when we presented this petition, we have complained about basically three things. One, that there was a substantial non-compliance with respect to refusal of INEC to apply the principle of margin of leaks, which is to the effect that there were cancellation in so many polling units, which led to the 14 members of the House of Assembly, their election were declared inconclusive. So there was need for a rerun in those polling units before declaring the winner. INEC refused to follow that. The verdict is that it has it has declared that Mr. Abba Kabir Yusuf was not qualified to contest the election. Mr. Abba Kabir Yusuf did not win the election by majority of lawful vote cast. That APC's candidate, Dr. Nasir Yusuf Gauna, won the election by majority of lawful vote cast. So it has now nullified the declaration of Mr. Abba Kabir Yusuf. It has nullified the certificate of return issued to him. It has directed INEC now to issue certificate of return to Dr. Nasir Yusuf Gauna, the APC candidate, so that he can come and take his oath of office as the new governor of Kano State.
The tribunal has said it's on. We are going to consult our client, and then I can assure you that we are going to appeal against this decision, and I can assure you that this decision will not stand at the Court of Appeal, because the law is very, very clear that the tribunal cannot enter as a witness in the matter. There was no, the tribunal admitted itself that there was no witnesses called, but it is the tribunal itself that went and seized the documents that tendered before it to come up with their own what I view. It is a seriously sad, but this is a decision of the court. We will look at it, as I said, and we will do the necessary things by filing the appeal immediately.